Wait, you're telling me I can use VEO3 for free?
Yeah, right.
Yes, it's Google's viral text-to-video generator.
It all feels pretty clear in my head. I see these flashes of possibilities, almost like I'm traveling through dimensions.
I'm looking down at myself and my characters in these different worlds, and it's almost coming to life on their own, even though I know I'm in control of that narrative. It feels like it's almost building upon itself at some point. You know, you could have an infinite amount of endings to your story.
So the work isn't built brick by brick by brick. It blooms like a spontaneous garden. It grows naturally, fully vibrant and complete.
I'm not forcing it, I'm just finding it. And that's when I know I'm in the right place.
What manner of magic is that?
And trust me, this is magical. You can create real-life characters, anime, and even sceneries all from just one prompt. Look at that volcano! Doesn't it look amazing? People are making huge earnings by using this tool to create AI-driven vlogs. Check this out.
Oh, guys. I think Vader's been watching the vlogs.
Yo, Adam here. Where am I?
You can even bring history to life, all with a fresh vlogger touch. In this video, we'll show you how to use this powerful tool for free. Buckle up first. Head over to the website, the Google platform. Here's what you'll see. Click the sign in button at the top right. Log in with your Gmail account. After you log in, fill in your date of birth. A little tip, keep it above 18 or preferably older to access all the services. Now you're all set. Welcome to the Google Cloud. Next, go to the Explore tab at the top left bar. You'll see a ton of courses and labs. Scroll down and select Tour of Google Cloud Sustainability. We're picking this lab because it's free and doesn't require credits. If this one isn't available, find another free lab. Now start the lab. You've got about an hour to use Veo 3, so listen up. This next part is crucial. Right-click on the Google Cloud Console and open it in incognito mode. Keep almost all settings as they are, then head to the Vertex AI tab on the left bar. If the Vertex AI API isn't enabled, you'll need to turn it on. Once it's enabled, you're ready to go. Go back to the platform, agree to the terms, and click Continue. Now, head over to the Media Studio. This is where the magic happens. Click the Generate Video button, and we're on the main battlefield. Here, on the right side, we have our weapons, Veo 3 and Veo 2. Obviously, our target is Veo 3. You can also generate audio or add your custom voice later, but for now, I recommend using the default audio. It's free and won't cost you anything. Let's give this a shot. Our prompt is, a guy opens the fridge at 3 a.m.
Okay.
and starts talking to food. Add a funny dialogue. Let's see what Veo 3 comes up with. It'll take about 7 to 8 minutes to generate the video, but hey, that's still faster than other free tools out there.
You guys still awake?
I know it's late, but I'm really craving you pickles right now.
Wow, that was amazing. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.